Hi, my name is Muhammad Al Amin. This is my project. Today we're going to explain how it's going to my projects transform that plastic pollution into eco-friendly plastic bricks for sustainable material, green material. As we know, that's right now the big issues in the world. It's gonna be coming like the waste plastics, and as we said, that's right now the protect of that plastic is more than uh, 300 million per ton per years. United Nations said that the over 11.2 billion ton of solid trash is collected per years. The it's coming mostly is become into sea, oceans, and dry NASA or others. So according that's data, it's like in Sudan or also the plastic industries, the products more than 18 million ton per years, and just we recycle it around 3.2 millions, and the others will be some like to end it in the in the in the rivers and sea and others. So what we can do to solve that problem exactly for that is environmental impact. So I'm a students I take my degree in like master degree in the civil engineering. We have to recycle that plastic to get like new green materials. So to introduce that plastic breaks, we have three introduct. First is we propose it like the waste, and the second sustainable building, as we know that's green material building, and the third is economy opportunity. Economy is like compared to concrete bricks and plastic bricks. The plastic bricks is more cheaper than the concrete bricks, and plastic bricks also it's come green materials compared to concrete bricks. As we it's like related to SDG or the Sustainable Development Goals. So the goals of 11 is like plastic bricks is can be used portables and also the light building materials, and they help us construction sustainable house also, and also the 11 the goals is number 11 also. The by that recycled plastics also waste it into bricks. It means that we have to reduce the environmental issues, and also it's given plastic waste second life. And also the goals is number 13 for climate actions and others like others. All that is related. That is, we have to make our plastic bricks. So this the process that is we create our plastic bricks. We just use like three type of that waste of plastic. We are not like we have seven type of the plastic. Just we use high high density of bioslin, low light density of bioslin, and bioslin. So that's the three. We have to mix it. We have to get the ratio. That's what we have. So that's input data that we have. Like yeah, we have more data. We have more uh, here like we have to mix it and thus we have to process. That's process that is we create our materials. We have to mix it and then we have to get like our bricks. We have to test our plastic bricks. So as we test our plastic bricks, like for example there is three or four test. We have to test like physical test and chemical mechanical test. For physical test we have first tests like water observation test compared to concrete bricks or fly ash brick or clay bricks, whatever's like the values that is for motor observation, the bright plastic bricks is more good than others bricks, and others also like compressive strength test. That is the compressive strength. The high have plastic bricks is have higher compressive strength compared to concrete bricks. And others like wall share the strengths, like we have to find that we have already protected, like yes, we share that strength that test bricks walls is like as like we standard use it ASTM. And then the really the value that is we found it is 0.70. Wow, that's good MPa. So what is that key of benefit of that plastic bricks? There is four key of that is plastic bricks. First, environmental impact. If we use like for example one plastic bricks, we have like the size is 23 centimeter times 11 centimeters times 5 centimeters. It means that the values we found it is 1265. 65, it means that it's 1 kilo 265 gram of plastic. So we have to reduce just one plastic bricks. It means we need 1 kilo of waste plastic. So imagine that is if we create a more than uh, let's say 1000 bricks. Oh wow, so it means we reduce that is environmental impact. It's not just like for environmental, also the strength compared to that's like we have to find the first is like the compressive strength of the plastic brakes is compared to concrete brakes is the good that strength and the values is good and also involved and the cost also plastic brakes, the cost is so cheap compared to concrete brakes or clay brakes or whatever. And also the trim on accounts. So the plastic brakes as we have right now, I already like we did half of my project. We already publish it. We already make more papers about it. We already joined for conference of the community surface community conference about that is we already product and this as we know that we already give it to community but to surveying about it and as that's the what we have for our my project and thank you so much.